Hello dear audience, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw your graphs, your research data in GraphPad Prism. So let's start. When you open the GraphPad Prism, first you will see this interface. So first our job is to click here, enter or import data into a new table. Okay, and then what type of graph you want to create. So in my case I need group type, like this group type graph. So I click here grouped, and I have 3 replication, so I can use 3. If you have 4, you can just increase 4. So as I have 3, so I can take 3, and then you enter and plot error value already calculated elsewhere. That means if you want to use your mean, sum square means, that is the error value, some error means and numbered, then you can click here. Or if you need only mean with SEM, then this one. Or if you want SD and N, then this one. So in my case I need mean and error number like this way. And after that, bear in mind, don't keep like this way, you have to click here in your 3 enter, then it's okay. So don't do this mistake, and then click create. Now we come here, this is our main plot where we can put the data in. So I have a demo data here. So these are data treatment, and these 3 treatment: control, salinity, arginine, and these are my plant height data, and 3 replication in case of 3. So I want to take this data. So let's first, in case of group 1, we can take this control, and then here salinity, and here salinity and arginine, right. These are the name of my treatment. So now I will input my data here. So first copy this data, this 3 data. You can click Ctrl C, and then come in GraphPad Prism, and then Ctrl Shift T. Again I repeat, Ctrl Shift and T, then it will come in this way. So this first replication, second replication, and third replication. Following this, I can take my salinity, this 3 salinity data, Ctrl C, and we can click here, and then Ctrl Shift T, right. And then again I can take salinity, arginine, Ctrl C, I just copied it, and then for paste, Ctrl Shift and T. Okay, so I found this is the data about 3 group: control, salinity, and salinity, arginine. So now you can click here graph. In case of data, just click here. Okay, this is our data, but I need some different, like group data. So in type of summary data, so these are my summary data. I can choose this is same with SED. I can take this one also. It can show our error means. Okay, so we found this. Okay, this is our data. This is our graph. So I can polish it, or just click here. I don't need this control, salinity, arginine, and don't need the name. But if you want to give the name, for example, here this is the plant height or something like that. Or if you don't need, then click, just delete it here, plant height, or just simple plant height in centimeter. Okay, so this is my graph, and now you can put the letter here. by clicking just here T. This is to add later. I click here T, and then here you can use A. It's a little bit down, so right, A, and this one B, for example. Sorry, this one should be B. Okay, I can put this one B, and then click T if you want later on top of your bar graph, and click here T. Then I can see say AB, so it will come here. Right, so by this way you can put later here, and then you can change the shape. For example, you don't need the x-axis, so I want to change the color of this graph, so click here, and then this one is control salinity and arginine, so I want to change the color of control. Then field graph, come here, so we need different color, not this one, maybe different color. You can choose different color, like this one we need. Okay, so this one came in this color, or we don't need the border, so none, no border, right? And then you can click apply, or you can change control. In case of control, like this color, for example, banana color. Okay, so this one is banana color, but we don't need the border, so none, no need for any border. In case of this, click here, arginine salinity, right? And color, we need this color, strawberry color. Okay, it comes in strawberry color, but we don't need any border, so none, no border. Okay, so these are the bars with different color, but you look this, we don't need this gap, so you can minimize this gap. How? Just click here, and then data graph setting, go graph setting, missing cell 100%, between adjacent 50, so I want to change it in 10, then click OK. So these are very close, and if you want that this graph is very small size, so you can enlarge it. Click here, here is we need to larger, it will be larger and more larger, larger and more larger, larger, right? If you want to fill the page, it will fill the page, but it's too much larger, we can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, by this way we can create our graphs, and after creating this graph you can export it in different way, like here click publish, or you can just simply send it in like, okay, we can publish it, open in cloud or personal workspace or personal, or you can, yeah, right, you can save it in this way, or you can export it. Right, I want to send it to PowerPoint, so send it to PowerPoint, so yes, allow. So now it, this is my PowerPoint, right? Here we have seen the graph in PowerPoint. It's very simple way. Again, you can also keep it in different way, like share in family or share project, or you can send it to PowerPoint, or you can export it in PDF or whatever you want. Like I want it to JPG format in iCloud or in download. So it's for example this plant height, and we can increase the DPI 1200 is good. Now to it, yes, it's a very good quality picture, and you can take copy here, or you can simply copy from here. Also you can take copy and then place in your any Word file. So it's so simple. And if you want to change it from PowerPoint or from Word file, you can easily change. Just click here, double click, and it will redirect you. Okay, you can try again. Okay, can redirect you, but it's not working here. So you can change, for example, this one line is too many tick, so we don't need any tick. Okay, so no tick here, and this is too thick, you want to make it frame, its thickness is too high, I want to reduce the thickness, click here. Now it's very small thick. That's all about GraphPad Prism. Thank you very much for watching.